Can I get a squad car, please? No, 18326 Bandai. They going crazy. We had a family viewing, and they got guns in this bitch. Come on now, please hurry up.
Okay, man.
Yeah, they got guns in here, baby. People running everywhere. 18326 Bandai, please. Please send the squad cars.
Ma'am, I do have units requested, ma'am. Who has guns, ma'am?
Please tell them to hurry up. We don't want nobody hurt.
Okay,
And they
ma'am.
still fighting.
Okay, ma'am, listen to me. I do have units requested, ma'am. Who's fighting?
Why? Why?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Detroit 911, what's the address of your emergency?
Stockton and Van Dyke.
What's going on, sir?
There's a venue, it's a big fight, they shooting. I'm outnumbered, security is outnumbered, you gotta hurry up.
Yeah. Okay, I see they have that. You said it's a big fight going on. We got help requested out to you, but you said they're fighting as well?
Yeah.
You said your security?
Yeah.
But how many people is it?
Man, I don't know, there's too many.
What's the location like? You said your security for what?
Van Dyke and Stockton, the venue.
The venue?
Yeah.
All right, sir. We got help requested out. What's your name and a good callback number? Okay. Is your number?
Yeah.
All right, we got help coming out, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Time until you have a suspect description, 5 and 8.
Oh shit. 1180, you already got one shot, fire shots. Hey, hands up! Hands up!
Time until you have a suspect description, 5 and 8.
Oh shit. 1180, you already got one shot, fire shots. Hey, hands up! Hands up! Where's he at? Get down! Sir, get down! Drop the gun! Drop... Drop the gun! Drop... Oh, drop the gun! Don't man, but drop the gun!
Time until you have a suspect description, 5 and 8.
Oh shit. 1180, you already got one shot, fire shots. Hey, hands up! Hands up! Where's he at? Get down! Sir, get down! Drop the gun! Drop... Drop the gun! Drop... Oh, drop the gun! Don't, man, but drop the gun!
Don't shoot my stepdad.
Go! Drop the gun!
Shoot my stepdad.
Man, go!
No.
Sir, drop the gun!
Don't shoot him.
No, guys, good.
Be all right.
Watch the gun! Watch the gun!
Priority. Exact location. 1180 on scene.
Stop. Get down. Stop.
What's your location and description?
That's indicative. There are a lot of people on the location at this time. We're reviewing videos.
Yes, I saw you shooting. Stop. I saw you shooting. Stop.